Aloha. This is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. And I often think to myself that Hawaii has to be the best place in the world to do woodworking. And one of the reasons is because there's so many trees, different types of species that grow here. There's some that there's a bunch actually that I've heard of, but never seen. Kawila is one of them. And what I have today is another one. This is one where I've heard woodworkers talk about it with reverence. This is called Narra, and it's primarily from the Solomon Islands. It's actually the state tree in the Philippines. And this one was growing up by Sunset Beach here on the North Shore. As soon as I started learning more about it and reading about it, it just got more interesting and cooler all the time. So the first thing that's pretty cool is it's the name of the wood, Narra, I learned is probably from the Hebrew, and it means she who is to be admired. That makes sense because it is such a beautiful wood. It's also referred to as red sandalwood, and I was just sanding it now, and the smell is amazing. Beautiful scent, really light scent. There's so many stories about this wood. One of them is that from a biblical times, King Solomon, when he built his temple, used Narra for the columns. And there's even speculation among scholars that this is the wood that was used to build Noah's Ark. So pretty amazing. It's termite resistant, rot resistant, so great for building an ark, I suppose. So yeah, we're very fortunate. A local arborist that we worked with was able to acquire these logs. And now we have the task of figuring out what is the most suitable use for this beautiful wood. It's really, really special, and we want to find just the right project for it. If you have any ideas, please shoot us a message, and please subscribe to our channel.